Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Education and Yoga with Kimberly Parikh. Today we will learn about Shikli Pranayam. Shikli Pranayam is useful during summer. Shikal means cool down. So Shikli Pranayam gives soothing or cooling effect to our body. This is beneficial to that people in which fire element increase, and due to that whatever disease occurs in the body, for them this pranayam is useful. Now let's learn how to do it. This pranayam can be done in two stages. First is for beginner and second one is for advanced level. Now how to sit. So we can sit in either Padmasana, Siddhasana or Sukhasana with our head, backbone and shoulder straight in one line. Close our eyes and then we have to bring out our tongue and roll it so that pipe-like structure can occur, and we have to breathe from this pipe only. That means from that air will pass through this tongue and then windpipe, so it gets cooled down. And then we have to close our mouth by taking tongue inside and then try to hold breath inside the body for some time, and then we have to simply exhale from both the nostril. So this is for beginner level. Now I am showing you how to do it. So first I will bring out my tongue and will breathe from tongue. So by this way we can do, and after complete one cycle we should take one simple breath. So by this way we can complete one cycle. So this is for beginner. Now let's move on advanced stage. So for that, after taking breath we will apply Jalandhar, means we have to touch our chin with the our chest at this point, and then we have to hold, we have to lock windpipe so that air cannot move out. After holding the breath for some time in Antakumbha position, we can exhale through our left nostril because it is our Chandranali, and as we know that whenever hot air we are throwing out, at that time we use our Chandranali, that means our left nostril. So I am showing you how to do it. And this bun, the people who are suffering with any heart disease, uh, they should not apply this Jalandhar bun. They can simply use that for exhalation both the nostril. So now I am showing you. First Padmasana, then Dhyan Mudra, and keep the backbone straight, close eyes and roll tongue. So by this way we can complete this one cycle, and you can apply 5 to 7 cycle or 10 cycle in a day. Now let's move on benefits. So the people who get angered in small things, very small things, they get benefit by doing this pranayam, because in these people fire element occurs excess And people who are suffering with depression or anxiety, nervousness, stress, and they cannot get proper sleep, for them all this will be beneficial. People can get proper sleep by doing this pranayam, because it gives very cooling effect to our mind and our brain, and also our whole parasympathetic nervous system cool down, so it boosts our immune system. Now let's move on digestive tract. So due to excess fire element, pit generated very actively, and due to excess pit our digestion also affect. So by doing this pranayam, our liver stimulate, and it secretes proper amount of bile juice, so digestion will be also improved, and problems like acidity, then acid reflux and ulcer can also be solved by this pranayam. This pranayam is helpful in giving proper hydration to our body. It maintains hydration of our body, so it will not increase the temperature of our bodies. That's why this pranayam is very helpful in summer days. Now due to excess heat, some people get pimples on the skin or rashes occurs on the skin. So this kind of problems also cured by this pranayam, as it gives our body cooling effect or soothing effect. The people who are suffering with high blood pressure also get cool down, and that high blood pressure can be controlled by doing this pranayam. So these are the benefits. Now let's move on precautions. So as this is helpful for high blood pressure patients, so low blood pressure patients should not do it, and people who are suffering with asthma and allergy related issues, they also should not do it. And other thing is, people who are suffering with bad cough also they should not do it. All other people can do this pranayam, and if people are suffering with any kind of major disease, they should do this pranayam under the guidance of your doctors. So this all about Shitli. And now when to do this? So this pranayam can be done at any time, but it is preferable that your stomach should be empty. So this is the thing for Shitli. This is wonderful pranayam to cool down and give soothing effect to our body, to get relax our mind. So I hope you will like my video and you will do it. Thank you.